in one way or another, this weekend's gonna be a lot of fun. That's right. I have an X5 M Competition for the weekend. So I'm heading out this weekend for a little road trip. I got no plan whatsoever. I'm just kind of picked a destination and started driving, and we'll see what kind of content I can create. It's going to be fairly easy because it's absolutely beautiful up here, but hopefully I can come up with a good storyline, and we'll see what we can make. I'm really glad I chose to go on a drive this weekend because, good God, that's beautiful. That's cool. You can see 3 mountains from up here. Not only can you see Helens, but you have Mount Hood and Mount Adams. It's an amazing view. Well, that was an awesome drive coming up to the top of Mount St. Helens, and I arrived just in time for sunset, which was super cool. Anywhere you looked, it was just freaking beautiful. But I planned to stay the night. I brought an air mattress and a sleeping bag, laid the back seats down in the X5, and I got plenty of room to lay down back here and grab some sleep. Tomorrow I'll wake up and catch the sunrise over the mountains, and then head down to the coast for the sunset. This could be pretty cool. Wow. This view is just amazing. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning now. I got about 3, maybe 4 hours of sleep last night. Fairly happy with that, considering I didn't get to bed till about midnight. But this is going to be a beautiful sunrise, and exactly the reason why I came up here. Well, that was a really cool sunrise. I'm so happy it worked out. But you're probably wondering what the hell I'm doing. And well, I got an X5 M Competition for BMWBLOG to review. And I'm just not the kind of guy to do a normal review. There's gotta be a story, it's gotta be an adventure. So all week long I kept thinking, what can I do? What can I do? I was thinking about driving. Oh wow, thought I was gonna have to hike to see this. Crazy. This 1972 Pontiac Grand Prix survived the Mount St. Helens blast. Well, that was cool, but I really need to get driving once again because I'm heading down to Long Beach on the Pacific coast, and the plan is to drive out onto Long Beach and set up a campfire. Fingers crossed I can make this happen. Keep this to make sure I write off business expenses. I'm almost forgetting to vlog. Been doing so much driving and so much work. But I left the mountain, I've made it down to the beach, and I love our beaches here in Washington and Oregon. They're big, they're wide, and you can drive on them. So I'm taking the X5 M and driving on the beach. High tide. So I'm gonna have to go kill a few hours and hopefully come back and it'll be lower. Because I really want to get out there. I think that's kind of the closing shot. So fingers crossed. Gonna hike through the dunes a little bit to get away from some people and the cars so I can get some drone passes. I hope the tide goes out a little bit further because right now I can't drive on the beach, and that's kind of what I came for. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens in the next hour, see if it goes out a little bit further. I think low tide's at 8 o'clock. Here's to hoping. That was an awesome, awesome day. It started off sunrise over Mount St. Helens and ends in Long Beach, sunset over the ocean. I wish I could drive on the beach, but the tide isn't really going out that much, so we'll have to save it to next time. Which I hope you'll stay around for. So, like, subscribe, hit that little bell if you want. Okay? See you later.